Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather updates for southern Lake Michigan,
County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:45 a.m. At 12:42 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sycamore to near Newark to near Flanagan, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs,
in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
severe
for Kendall
thunderstorms will
County
be
in
near
northeastern
Maple
Illinois,
Park,
northern
and
Livingston
Virgil
County in
around
central
12:45
Illinois,
a.m.
Cook County in northeastern
Yorkville,
Illinois,
Plano,
Grundy
and
County
Lily
in
Lake
northeastern
around 12:50
Illinois,
a.m.
northwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:45 a.m. At 12:42 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sycamore to near Newark to near Flanagan, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Forest Park and River
Source,
Forest around
radar
1:20
indicated.
a.m.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and
People
trees.
outside should move immediately
Severe
to shelter
thunderstorms
inside
will
a
be near
strong building.
Maple Park, Newark,
Stay
and
away from
Virgil around
windows.
12:45 a.m. Yorkville, Plano, and Lily Lake around 12:50 a.m. Elgin and Oswego around 12:55 a.m. Aurora, Naperville, West Dundee, and Odell around 1 a.m. Hoffman Estates, Romeoville, Dwight, and Inverness around 1:05 a.m. Bolingbrook, Palatine, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Glen Ellen, Lisle, Woodridge, Darien, and Gardner around 1:10 a.m. Cicero, Westchester, Forest Park, and River Forest around 1:20 a.m. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
That after 400 years of slavery and involuntary servitude, that we can have people like you and me sit on this program, descendants of slaves.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northern Livingston County in central Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:45 a.m. At 12:42 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sycamore to near Newark to near Flanagan, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Maple Park, Newark, and Virgil around 12:45 a.m. Yorkville, Plano, and Lily Lake around 12:50 a.m. Elgin and Oswego around 12:55 a.m. Aurora, Naperville, West Dundee, and Odell around 1 a.m. Hoffman Estates, Romeoville, Dwight, and Inverness around 1:05 a.m. Bolingbrook, Palatine, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Glen Ellen, Lisle, Woodridge, Darien, and Gardner around 1:10 a.m. Cicero, Westchester, Forest Park, and River Forest around 1:20 a.m. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
An anti